I'm Dr. Ed Liebman, and I'm here to talk to you about something that we see very routinely in veterinary medicine. I've got Watts, my little buddy here, if he'll sit still for just a minute, which is somewhat doubtful. But Watts, we have here as kind of a demonstration. And the idea here is that these medications that we send for ears, we frequently send ear medication with clients. It is the lowest compliance treatment protocol that we send. What happens with these medications is that frequently they go home, you treat the ears for a couple of days, and then you stop. Your veterinarian will tell you it's the worst thing in the world you can do. You've got to continue to treat these till there's total resolution of the problem. What happens with ear medication, unlike other medications that we send, is the compliance level. We send the medication for the specific ear infection. If it's a bacterial infection, if it's a yeast infection, if it's inflammation. These products that you see in front of you here, Mometamax and its generic equivalent, both are great products, but they have to be used in the dog's ear, which I know sounds really simplistic, but the problem is actually that compliance with putting the medication in the ear, it's just not there in most instances. And it's very difficult to do, so it's hard to treat a dog. You can see Watts running around in here, and it's difficult to get them to sit still for it. But if you will follow the recommendation of your veterinarian and go ahead and treat them routinely, treat them consistently, you'll see a great response. They don't turn into chronic problems. They don't turn into the ear that won't clear up as long as you comply to the recommendations and follow up with your veterinarian, who will tell you if that medication is not going to work appropriately. They then will advise you to do a culture, to do a cytology, to find out whether there's an underlying allergic problem. You can get direction from your veterinarian, who's going to be the person that's going to be in the forefront of all this information. So we've got the products here at PetMart Pharmacy. It's a great place to buy products for a little less than what you'll probably find at your veterinary hospital. But these products have to be used appropriately for them to be effective.